Hi, my name's Dan. I am the inventor of the DoorTech Buddy. Let me show you how it's used. If your garage door cable comes off the drum, let me show you how to repair it. Place the DoorTech Buddy on the opposite side of the door above one of the rollers, clamp it in place, then take a ratchet strap to the support above, hook it to the roller, and raise the door up above level. Reinsert the cable to its proper position, release the ratchet strap, the DoorTech Buddy, and you're done. If you have a damaged track, you simply insert the DoorTech Buddy above the damage. You let it slide down to the damage, give it a few more taps, finalize the shaping of the track. When you're done, release the DoorTech Buddy with the vice grips, and you're all set. Today we are replacing a garage door panel that has been damaged. Insert the DoorTech Buddy on the next roller above the damaged panel. Once you clamp it into place, then you will go to the other side and do the same thing. The DoorTech Buddy will be clamped underneath the roller above the damaged panel on that side as well. Now you want to separate your panels by taking the bolts out of the hinges and then release the tension on the springs so that panel will lower. Workers will feel safe knowing that the DoorTech Buddies will not slip while they're doing their job. Once you are done, release the DoorTech Buddy and then you are all set. The DoorTech Buddy is small, compact, and fits in tool pouches, toolboxes, and doesn't take up a lot of space. If you have a damaged roller on a garage door, you can simply insert the DoorTech Buddy above the roller, clamp it into place. Once you have that clamped into place, you can twist the track to release that bottom roller. You pull the panel out, remove the bottom roller, then you insert a new roller into the same spot. Once the new roller is in place, you pop it in the track with the DoorTech Buddy, then release, and you're all set. Not only did I invent the DoorTech Buddy, but I am a garage door technician myself, and I absolutely love this tool. If you were to give one of these tools to any garage door technician, they would instantly turn around and ask you, where can I get more of these? Not only does it save time for more repairs in a day, it adds an extra level of security for the technicians. Don't miss this opportunity.